The image of a snake has long evoked both fear and fascination. In cultures worldwide, serpents symbolize death and rebirth, danger and healing. Modern science has confirmed that snake venom is a potent mixture of proteins and enzymes capable of paralyzing nerves, breaking down tissue, and even killing prey. Yet in one of history's stranger twists, some people have sought to turn this deadly substance into medicine. The story of snake venom therapy spans ancient beliefs, modern experiments, controversial practices that blur the line between science and pseudoscience. The origins of venom as medicine stretch far back. In traditional systems, snake parts, or extracts, were sometimes used in remedies, reflecting the belief that a poison could become a cure in small doses. By the 19th century, European doctors experimented with diluted venom. Intrigued by the idea that it might stimulate the body in useful ways, early trials claimed to reduce fevers or ease neuralgia, though the evidence was inconsistent and often anecdotal. The 20th century saw a more formalized version of the practice. In the 1930s, Brazilian healer and researcher Dr. Geraldo Zalur promoted injections of diluted venom to treat arthritis and chronic pain. His therapies drew attention, and for decades, snake venom clinics operated on the fringes of medicine, particularly in Latin America and Eastern Europe. Patients swore by the relief they felt, while mainstream doctors dismissed the practice as placebo at best and dangerous at worst. Some of the interest stemmed from genuine science. Venoms are complex chemical cocktails. Many of their components interact with the nervous and circulatory systems in powerful ways. Researchers discovered that certain peptides in venom could block pain signals, lower blood pressure, or prevent blood clotting. Modern pharmaceuticals have indeed been developed from venom compounds. The blood pressure drug captopril, derived from Brazilian pit viper venom, and painkillers based on cone snail venom, are prime examples. But these are purified, precisely engineered drugs, not raw venom injections. The fringe practice of injecting venom, however, persists into the present. A small subculture of biohackers and alternative healers claim that microdoses of venom strengthen the immune system, reduce inflammation, and even slow aging. Videos and testimonials circulate online, showing individuals deliberately injecting themselves with venom or allowing controlled bites. Advocates often describe the experience as energizing or transformative, but there is little clinical evidence to support their claims. What is certain is that the risks are high. Allergic reactions, tissue damage, and systemic poisoning can result even from small exposures. Part of the allure lies in the symbolic power of snakes. To embrace venom as therapy is to challenge fear itself, transforming poison into healing. The mystique of forbidden or dangerous remedies adds to the fascination, especially in cultures that prize resilience or rebellion against mainstream medicine. Yet this romanticism can obscure the reality. Without controlled doses, purified compounds, and clinical oversight, snake venom therapy remains more spectacle than science. That does not mean the story is over. Pharmaceutical research continues to explore venom's potential, isolating individual proteins for drugs that could treat conditions ranging from cancer to chronic pain. The irony is that while injecting crude venom is reckless, the principle behind it, that toxins can be harnessed as medicines, valid and has already yielded real breakthroughs. The line between snake oil and snake medicine, however, is razor thin. The history of snake venom therapy is thus a story of extremes. It is at once an ancient symbol, a fringe practice, and a cutting-edge scientific frontier. Reminds us of humanity's endless drive to turn nature's most dangerous weapons into tools of healing, and of the risks when desperation or daring push that idea too far.